When it comes to weight loss, there are a lot of products on the market that claim to be the best solution, but unfortunately a lot of these products can be full of chemicals and other harmful ingredients. But if you're looking for a safe and healthy way to lose weight, then you need to try this smoothie recipe. It is made with matcha. It's a matcha latte smoothie recipe, and you will absolutely adore it. I drink it most days of the week, to be honest. Let's check it out. Okay, so in your blender, and is it, okay, good, it's on. We are going to blend, and this, if you've not had matcha before, I'm going to talk a little bit about the attributes of matcha and why this is so good for you. But we're going to blend a half of a frozen banana, and depending on which season it is, banana and where you live, bananas are either allowable or not so allowable based on leptin and things. So this is summertime, so I allow myself that half of a banana. Thank you so much. We're also blending in 1 cup of almond milk into the blender. Then some matcha powder. So this is 1 teaspoon of the matcha powder, which gives it that fantastic flavor, but that has the fat burning effects as well, which I'm going to share with you in just a moment. 1 scoop of vanilla or unflavored. So this is actually the unflavored whey protein powder. And we'll share links for the one that I use, of course. We've also got cinnamon. So a half a teaspoon of cinnamon is going in here. That gives it a nice kick of flavor. We have some almond butter. So this is a tablespoon. To be honest, usually I use 2 myself. I just love almond butter, and I like the fact that, you know, in terms of if you're doing that higher natural healthy fats in the morning with, if you're doing keto and things like this, then a little bit of extra almond butter isn't going to hurt anybody. And of course some ice. So this was 1 cup of ice, and here we go. I'm going to blend it up. It's always fun what can happen on, I did, yeah, okay, here we go. We're gonna blend. Ready? It's gonna be a bit loud, so. And there we go. So you can see that beautiful green color from the matcha, and I'm telling you the flavor of this, I've been looking forward to this all morning, because I've not had one in a couple days. I usually do this in the weekdays. Blend that up, and it's so good. I hope you love and use this recipe often. For more tips how to improve your leptin resistance, please check out my video, 9 tips to reverse leptin resistance. I'll see you there.